In the automotive world, few vehicles have managed to carve out a niche quite like the Suzuki Jimny. Compact, capable, and endlessly modifiable, this pint-sized SUV has become a cult favorite among off-roaders and urban explorers alike. But in Japan, one tuner has taken the Jimny's potential to an entirely new level. Enter DAMD, a tuning house known for turning Suzuki's smallest SUV into stunning miniature versions of European legends. And they've just unveiled their latest creations for 2025, now designed specifically for the larger 5-door Jimny. If you thought the Jimny was already charming, just wait until you see it dressed up like a Land Rover Defender, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, or even a Renault 5. These three new kits called Little D, Little G, and Saudade are more than just cosmetic upgrades. They're full-blown style transformations that bring serious European flavor to the Japanese off-roader. Let's start with the Little D, short for Little Defender. This kit features a retro look inspired by classic Land Rover Defenders, complete with round headlights, turn signals, and a black mesh grille that mirrors Land Rover's iconic design language. Damned even includes a faux green oval badge to really sell the look. The kit also comes with new front and rear bumpers, chunky fender flares, a metal skid plate, and mud flaps for added trail cred. The Little D is now adapted to the 5-door Jimny's longer wheelbase and debuts in a deep British racing green, a nod to its off-road heritage. Next is the fan-favorite Little G, a miniature take on the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. With a squared-off front fascia, upright grille, boxy fenders, and chunky side steps, this Jimny has unmistakable G-Wagon vibes. For 2025, Damned introduces the Little G Traditional, which adds steel front bumpers, square yellow fog lights, and retro-style taillights reminiscent of older G-Class models. This version perfectly captures the rugged elegance of the Mercedes off-roader, only in a smaller and more accessible form. But the real surprise, and maybe the most delightful offering of all, is the Saudade, inspired by the Renault 5, a quirky French hatchback from the past. This kit might just be the most unique of the bunch. It comes with square headlights, a black grille, and a minimalist steel bumper with an integrated skid plate. The body features custom fender flares, retro-styled wing mirrors, and an eye-catching set of Oz racing wheels to complete the throwback look. What's truly shocking is the affordability of these transformations. The complete Saudade body kit sells for just 382,800 yen, around $2,600, and even when you throw in a full set of Oz racing wheels, the price remains under 3,500 USD. For what is essentially a complete personality makeover, that's an absolute bargain in the world of custom cars. With these kits, Damned continues to redefine what's possible in the world of car tuning. They take a platform already loved for its off-road capabilities and inject it with a heavy dose of European nostalgia, offering enthusiasts a fun, stylish, and surprisingly affordable way to stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a fan of the rugged Defender, the prestigious G-Wagon, or the retro flair of the Renault 5, there's now a Jimny lookalike for you. In a world where SUVs are growing ever more massive and indistinguishable, Damned's tiny tributes are a refreshing reminder that big character can come in small packages, and that imagination still has a place in automotive design.